2011 E350 Mercedes Benz. To remove the axle, you don't have to remove none of those bolt joints and stuff. All you gotta do is remove the two bolts that hold the actual suspension. That will be a 21 in the back and a 14 millimeter on the front, which is gonna be that right there. Even though it looks special, you can just put a 14 millimeter here and a 21 millimeter here. Disconnect your brake lines and the ABS line. Then the rotor is gonna fall down, so you don't have to remove the rotors or the brake caliper. Then you're gonna push the knot in. You're gonna slide your axle out. If you want to take it out completely, you gotta go from the back and hit it with a pry bar right there. Alright, so just making a simple video to help you guys out. See you in the next one. Alright, so here we got the new fix on the axle. So as you can see, it goes in perfect. You push in, slide out, do your fix, and put everything back on. Here's the old one.